Hey everyone, today we are going to be checking out this inflatable family swimming pool by Evajoy. The dimensions are 88 inches by 85 inches by 30 inches tall. And this pool, all packaged up in the box, weighs about 18 pounds. Let's get it unboxed. We have it out of the box. Super simple packaging, looks like it's just a plastic bag. We have an instruction manual to help us with setup and a couple patches just in case there's any of those accidental things that happen. So let's get this thing set up. So here we have a unfolded pool. We do need to inflate it yet. So when you're finding a location for it, just make sure that you find a somewhat level location that doesn't have anything sharp underneath it. The instruction manual does say to not set it up on concrete or asphalt or anything like that, and to make sure that it's level without sticks and stones under there to puncture it. So it looks like we have some valves here on the back side of the bench. So like I said, it's a family swimming pool, so it's big enough for 2 adults and 3 kids is what it says. We'll find out real soon. So we have some valves there, and I found a pump that we have from camping for like air mattresses. That's what we're utilizing today. There's many other ways to inflate your pool, but you do need to inflate it. So that's what we're doing next. First ring is inflated, working on the second one. It is entirely inflated. So there are 5 different valves that you need to utilize to inflate the pool, including the bench, which is down on the side over here. On the back side here is where the other 4 valves are. So it says start from the bottom ring and work your way up. And I did the bench last. So next we need to fill the pool, and before we fill the pool we must close those drainage valves. So there's 2 of them in front of the bench on each corner, so make sure you close those before you start filling it. All right, this has been filling for about 36 minutes. Mind you, this is almost 500 gallons of water, so it's gonna take a little bit. Your time might vary though. On the side, there is a nice little indicator that shows you how high you should be filling it. No higher than that second ring, just a scotch under it to be accurate. We're gonna let this warm up and then we're gonna hop in. We've been patiently waiting for it to warm up. It's only been a couple hours and I don't know how warm it's gonna be, but we can wait no longer. We are ready to get in. Is it chilly?
A little.
Okay. Fast forward to the next day, and the pool's still holding up pretty good. There was 5 of us playing in this yesterday. It took probably 4 or 5 hours to actually warm up for us to get in, but to be expected if you're using a garden hose. The entire setup process for the pool took about an hour, with filling included. So after a day of playing, you can expect it to be dirty. The water is still clear, but there are some grass clippings and whatnot in there. Again, 5 of us jumping in and out of it for a few hours. So overall, highly recommend it. If you'd like some more details or specifics, there will be an Amazon affiliate link down below so you can get those or pick up one for yourself as well. Other than that, we appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for all the likes and the comments and the subscriptions. We appreciate those too. And if you're new in town, please consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye!